Hey, Dante from Hybrid Roofing and Renovations. My name is Sean Nicholas, and I'm with NJSEO Marketing. Today, I'm showing this quick video to show you some tips that you can use for your business. And actually, this video is also going to show you how important it is to have a website and what you're missing out on from not having a website. Right here, Philly's Finest Roofing. This is your top competitor in the Philadelphia area for roofing. This is just a quick insight of their website. They have a couple pictures, some content, and it's very important to have a website because it gives your customers an idea of who you are and what you do, and that will make you not look as a complete stranger as they would think. This will give them more information about you and will help them make a decision in choosing your company for your services. And right here, this is Google, right? I searched up roofing contractors in Philadelphia, and like I told you, Philadelphia's finest roofing is the number one spot that actually showed up right here, and that's because they have a lot more backlinks than their competitors. And the backlinks, what they do is they help your website get power and get ranked higher in the organic section of Google right down here. These are other websites as well, and it's very important to beat them out so that you are the number one spot and that you're the one that the customers click on first. And another benefit of having a website is you will be available to be put in the GMB. This is my Google My Business Map Pack. This has to do with citations, how many citations your company has, and to outbeat your competitors, you just have to have the same citations and then add some more so you outrank them, and also make sure that they don't catch up as well. These things are all very important because all this does is bring in more customers to your website. Having a website would benefit you. Why? Because people will be able to find you and will know what you're about. And if you're in the number one spot for the GMB and the organic section of Google, you will have an influx of customers coming to you, and I will show you exactly how that will happen. So this tool I use over here is called Ahrefs. This right here, this is the Philadelphia the finest roofing company that I just showed you. So right here, their company has a 20 power to their link to their website, and their 1.6 trust in the eyes of Google. So all these are factors that Google go into website building. And right here, they have referring domains. It's basically just links that link back to the website. They have 29, and that brings them a total of 119 backlinks. And what this does is basically this gives them an organic traffic of 819 people per month. So because of the referring domains and how many backlinks they have, um, 819 people are going to their website. And since you don't have a website, that's 819 potential clients that you're missing out on right there. And this organic keywords as well. These organic keywords are implemented into your website, so they're basically search terms that people are searching for your services. And these words help bring in volume to your website and bring in more customers each month. So these are just some tips that I would recommend you doing. Like I said, having a website is very important. Main reason why is because everyone is on the internet. Everyone is searching for everything on Google, and if you're not on Google, people will have a hard time finding you. So getting ranked on Google, making sure that you're in the first page of Google is very important. It will bring in more customers. Having a website is important to your company because it gives people information about who you are and what your company is about. And like I said, you won't look like a complete stranger no more. You will look like a company that they know and trust, and that way they will actually reach out to you. So these are just some tips that I had for you. If you are interested in anything that I have to offer, please feel free to reach out to me. I will provide the information to contact me on the email. But other than that, I hope you have a good day, and I hope that this information helped you. And if you want to use any of this information, please feel free to use it. Um, Other than that, I hope you have a good day.